Hi guys, welcome back to my video, and we are doing like we need to complete every single tower, and we need to start right over here at the blue one, all the way there to the pink one that has the star and the heart. Okay, let's go. With using keyboard, okay? I'm not shooting this time now. But when the Neo jumps come, I'll let her whisper myself. I don't care. Here. Me don't care. They care. Oh my god. It's hard using our keyboard, okay? Stop. Sorry, I pressed the microphone. Thank you. I'm gonna spam quicker. God. Stop trying to assassinate me. This is hard, okay? Okay, it's kind of laggy. Oh my god, this one again. Why did I answer me again? Thank you. Yes, bro. I'm scared of these because I'm using a literal keyboard. Guys, if you literally me, can you guys if you guys are a Roblox player like me, but using a keyboard, guys, can you please tell me how to move like this up and then like this? So I don't know. So yeah, so teach me how to do that. Just make a video because my comments are disabled. No. I'm gonna stop saying it's easy. It's not easy for me. It's easy for you guys. Just not like me. Bro. Keep this in first try. Bro, keep this in first try, bro. No, sir, bro. No. Let's go. Don't call me spam clicker. That's what I told you guys. It's not easy for me, it's easy for you guys. Oh my god, why do I always fall? Anyway, I hate this game. Don't ever. Bro, stop falling. Bro, so far. Oh my god. I need to complete this whole bro. So stop trying to obsess me. You guys told me to play this. Bro, why do I keep hitting the ceiling? Bro, I was doing fine with this, but until now, bro. Bro. Let's just move on to the next tower. Yeah, we're gonna skip this one. Yeah, we're gonna... Yeah. And for this one. How come spawn there? Bro. I keep hitting the non-stop button. Bro, why Gemini again? I can't see my keyboard, it's literally pitch black here. I just woke up and it's 8:43 a.m. I mean p.m. p.m. is night time and a.m. Oh. My god, Bro, why do I keep hitting the Gemini bat? No. Ticker. My god. Congratulations. Bro, why do I get all like This is what I call non-pro. Okay, we're back here, and if literally I fall, oh no, bro. Why Gemini? Oh, just my personal AI. We're back here, and if I literally fall, bro, stop. Okay, we're in the new part. Okay. Not this again. I still have a helper. Howdy, at the bag of toughies. I'm the shit. You move like an animal. Nobody knows you're out of control. But I see inside behind the door. It is just feel out of control. You move like an animal. Yup, skip this one again too. You move like an animal. Maybe we should start there, then here. So let's go. Because maybe I think we have, what the freak? We have another one? No. Okay, we're starting this. Oh my god, a cute axolotl. Okay, this is a good spot.
Okay. Ate, may ulam na ba kayo? Tingnan mo. Okay mo ito. Huwag mo na kay Tito kasi ang magulo ng ulam.
So I was saying, why did I fall there? jump was so easy. I'm not saying it's that easy. Guys, I haven't rebirted in in bro +1 keyboard escape. That was like my favorite game, but now Towers is my favorite game because I can literally control my keyboard.
Ano ba yung order na ulam?
Why the freak?
Ay, sita niya, wala kayo. Ano, ako?
Skip that.
Munggog.
Let's just pick. I'm gonna pick this. Skip.
Sinigang na. Ate, sama mo na.
Wait for me, guys. Behind the closed door, they get a thing here I think. Oh, you move like an animal. Nobody knows you're out of control. I see inside behind the closed door. They get a behind the control. Move like an animal. I don't play Minecraft or something because I only play like Roblox all the time. And Kashiniko, can you please subscribe? And can you tell Shady and Mia and Zoe to also subscribe? Thank you. Anyways, I live in Philippines. I only know a little bit of English. I don't. Okay. I've been recording for 12 minutes and more today. What do we pick? There's a lot of towers here, bro. I can pick. Oh my god, cutie. Nobody knows you're out of control. I see inside behind the closed door. They just beyond the closed door. Move like an animal. Tower 1. Sorry, at Tower 1. Don't mind me if I'm a spam filter. Bro, that's what Roblox yans when having keyboard, bro. You need to spam jump. And I just fell again. Wait guys, wait. Hello guys, I already made it right over here. So you guys can literally my keyboard. So I already passed this stage right now. If I literally fall here, I'd got to do it again. So let's go. Not this again. Well, I didn't know what to do. Whoa! Bro, I got to do this again. That was easy. Bro, wait for me. Anyways guys, I'm back. I just made a new friend, bro. I just literally made a new friend, and she's that girl. She's my friend on Roblox. Bro, why she keep falling? Don't leave. Do I have to fall for her? Oh, I let her feel bad. She doesn't know that the world is Obi. And if you're watching this, I'm so sorry for you. I'm rooting for you. I'm rooting for you. I'm rooting for you. Yes. 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 Now let's go. Made it. I just have to leave her. I said join me, okay? Okay. I don't care. Let's try the core wall of tower if I can. Actually, I don't know what to do. Move, I can move. Nobody knows you're out of control. I see inside behind the store. They get these behind the store. You move like an Go your turn. Go. Bro, let's just use my let's just not use keyboard anymore. I'm gonna show you what a real wall looks like, but not with a keyboard. I'm gonna get 14 wins this time. Maybe 15. This is what the part I'm struggling with using the keyboard. Bro, how can I even like just wait until I get to the end. They get obsessed, you're at that floor, move like an animal. They get obsessed, you're at that floor, I get obsessed, you're at the dance floor. They get obsessed, you're at that floor, move like an animal. They get obsessed, you're at that floor. If I later play this whole hot hour with my actual keyboard, bro, I'll literally get that one. Yeah. Bro, I think the bacon is more legendary than I. Nobody knows your control as you fight behind closed doors. First try, baby, first try. First try, baby, first try. First try, baby. Anyways, guys, I need to end the video now. Anyways, don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe. Bye, guys. Bye.